Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another ink installation video. Today we're going to be installing the ink on the Epson Workforce 7820, and this is going to be a very short video. If you haven't installed these ink cartridges before, hopefully this video ends up helping you out. If this video is helpful, please make sure to like. If you have any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up your print head to the point where you can install the ink. It should match up, and then you're going to be installing the ink cartridges. So you're going to match up the copper piece on the front of the ink cartridge to the copper piece on the print head, just like I did there. You are clicking it in place. You should hear a click, and it should be snugly fit to where if you pull on it, it should not be able to be released. Now, one thing that I do use is these are setup ink cartridges, but I use remanufactured ink. That's something you're going to want to consider with this printer, so I'm going to leave a link in the description below for the printer and for some remanufactured ink, which is going to be a lot less expensive for you. As you can see here, we're installing the last ink cartridge. This is the yellow one. You're just matching everything up. You see exactly how I'm putting it in. You really want to make sure that you're putting the right ink cartridge into the right slot. Everything is color coded. You could see there at the top. So now once you're done, you're going to close the latch in place on the print head, and then you're going to close the top of the printer. Now it should take about 10 to 15 minutes to process the ink. Once that's done, you should be able to start printing. I hope this video ended up helping you out. If it did, again, please make sure to like. If you have any questions at all, comment below, and keep in mind there are some links in the description below for your convenience. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.